Hi everyone, this is Judy from Judy's Handmade Creation, and today I'm sharing how I make my mini wreath ornaments. And you have to get some of these bangle bracelets at the Dollar Tree store. They got like different colors. It's got like blue, purple, and they'll be all different colors. And you get, I got seven in a pack. I made a lot of these. You have to get some bangle bracelets, and you have to have this also some of this wired garland ties, and that's these here. And you get these at the Dollar Tree store. The wire garland, and these at the Dollar Tree store. So you would need those. You would need some embellishments. I had got these at the Dollar Tree store, and this is like confetti. I got these. You would need some ribbon, any kind of ribbon will work. I got this at Walmart. And some, like I said, some embellishments like gems. These here I got from the Dollar Tree store. These here, they came in a pack. You would need some gems, or whatever you want to embellish your mini wreath ornament with. You first take your bracelet and one of your wire garlands that you get from the Dollar Tree store. You need 2 of these to wrap around the bracelet. So you just wrap it around the bracelet like this. Let me move this up a little bit. Just wrap it around. And a lot of people at the craft fair asked how I made these. That's why I'm posting this, so they can come here and look and see how I did it. You just wrap these around there. And these are real easy to make if you're gonna want something easy for like a Christmas craft fair or church bazaar or something like that. Just wrap it until you can barely see the bangle bracelet color. Use up all your wire garland tie. Wrap it around. And then you decide what kind of embellishments you want to put on it. Oh, let me see. I got lots of embellishments. I don't know. Did I use this one? No, you can't see that. I think I'll do the pom-poms. You just take your pom-poms. This is I got this at Walmart. Take a little bit of glue and put over on the side here so it can hold it down while you wrap it. And then just wrap it around. These are really easy to make, and they don't take a long time to make, these wreath ornaments. That's if you need something really quick to make to sell. for your craft shows or church bazaars. And just wrap it until you get enough of your pom-poms on there. Like, you can embellish it any way you want. You can embellish it with buttons or gems or however you would like to do it. And then when you get enough of it and you think it's enough, take your hot glue gun and cut that off. Cut it off right about here, and then take this part and glue it up there where you had the glue, where you put the glue, drop of glue. I need another little bit of glue for the front. Just glue it down so it doesn't come undone. I'm using hot glue to hold it down. And it should be about like this. And if you want to, you can add some gems or whatever you like on there. If you want more embellishments, add you some more. I'll take and add some of these. Get your hot glue gun. And just add you some more embellishments if you like to. I like these gems. These gems are really pretty. It'll brighten it up. Now make sure that glue, don't touch that glue, because that glue will burn you. These gems here I got from the Dollar Tree store, so these are really nice big gems here. You can get them, you can get gems anywhere. Just don't get glue all over your table. Let me see if I got a different color one. Yep, these are really nice. This, I didn't know if I got clear ones, probably over in my bag. I used a lot of these gems up. I try not to get that glue everywhere. And just put them all down, embellish it the way you want. Decide where you want to hang your tie your ribbon on there. So you need a piece of ribbon to make a hanger. And let me see how long I got it. Cut you a piece of ribbon. And this ribbon here I got from Walmart. This is 1/4 inch ribbon. I use a lot of ribbon. Fold it half in the middle. Then take it up. These two ends like that, and then put this through there. You can add glue on it. And that can be a hanger. And then just tie the top in a little overhand knot. And what I usually do is to keep this from fraying, take a lighter and see them frays up there. Try to burn them down so your ribbon won't come apart. And voila, you're done. And you can make tags and put them in packages. And if you do a craft fair, they can be sold at your Christmas craft fair. And this is an easy way to make a wreath ornament. And another thing that I did with mine, I didn't know what to do with them. Another thing you can add with it would be one of these suction cup hooks where they can either hang it in the window, and this is the ones that are clear, and you can get these from the Dollar Tree store. That's where I got these. This is a Dollar Tree brand, and you get 9 of them in there, and these are the ones that can stick to the window. You can put one of these in there if they don't want to hang it on their tree. They can suction cup to their window, inside of the window, and they can hang it like that. So I'll show you all the ones that I created for the church bazaar / craft fair, or whatever you want to call it. This is the one I just done. And here's another one I made. These are the ones that I made for my daughter's friend. And here's another one. And here's another one. They're really pretty, and I really like them. And everybody likes them. You can pack it, like I said, if you're doing these are easy to make. And if you're doing a craft fair, make some up and sell them. And it doesn't really cost a lot to make them up. So these are the ones that I made for my daughter's friend that we're giving away to her friend. Oh, I got one more that I didn't show you. And here's another one that I made that I put just a regular pom-pom on it. And I didn't put nothing. See how I put the pom-pom and the gems on that one? I just put the pom-poms on this one. And you can embellish them with anything you got. You can wrap ribbon around there. You can do these poinsettia flower-like things. And these are really nice. Let me see if I can find my ruler. I'm going to measure them, and this one measures about oh, wait a minute. I got it the wrong way. This one is about 3.5 inches. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, about 3.5. That's about how big the finish would be. Like 3.5 inches. And that's all you need to get is some embellishments, some ribbing, some of the wire garland from the Dollar Tree store, and your bangle bracelet. I don't know what I did with it. Somewhere over here. And your bangle bracelet you would need. And that's about it. Thanks for watching. Which one, I forgot to ask you, which one do you like the best? So many of them. The button one. The flower one. The gem one. The pom-pom garland. pom-pom garland one, or the pom-pom and the gem one. And they're really nice and really easy to make. And you can make a whole bunch of these real quick. Thanks for watching. Be blessed. If you like the video, subscribe, like it, share it out. Be blessed. Bye-bye.